In this video, I will show you how to fix the something went wrong, please try again later error on Roblox on PS5. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to go ahead and fix this, there's a few things you can actually try. Now, the first thing I would recommend checking is that the Roblox account you're trying to log into is linked to the same PlayStation account. So what I mean by this is when you initially download Roblox onto your PlayStation, onto your PS5, you'll be asked to log in and the account that you log in with will be linked to the profile of your PlayStation. So for example, you can see my profile here at the top, in the top right hand corner. So this is my Roblox account which is linked to that PlayStation. As you can see, I can log in no problem. However, if I was to try login into that account on another PlayStation profile, it's not going to work because the Roblox profile is actually linked to that profile. So if that didn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend trying is checking that there's no maintenance work going on with the PlayStation servers or anything like that. To go ahead and check this, come up to the top right hand corner to your settings, and in here you want to come into network. Then what you want to do is press X onto connection status and then come down to the view PlayStation network status option down here. Go ahead and press X. This is going to tell you if there's currently any problems with the PlayStation servers. As you can see, we've got ticks in, all services are up and running, and all these green dots here to show that everything is working absolutely fine. If there's any maintenance work or any problems with the servers, you're just going to have to wait until that's fixed, as sometimes this can cause problems logging in to your Roblox account and of course causing that error to occur. So next, what I would recommend doing is actually log in out of your Roblox account and log in back in. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and leave this experience and then come back onto the Roblox dashboard. So here we are back on the dashboard. Now what you're going to want to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner to these three dots where it says more. And if you go ahead and press X onto this, and at the very bottom, you're going to see an option to log out. So what you want to do is try logging out of your account, log in back in, and seeing, of course, if you're able to log in successfully. If that didn't work for you, the final thing I would recommend is to try deleting and reinstalling Roblox on your PS5. To do that, from your dashboard, you want to find the Roblox game, and if you hover over the icon and you want to go ahead and press the options button on your controller, which is this one here, what that's going to do is load up a menu like this, and then you can come down and click on to delete, and what it's going to do is clear the cache and resolve any bugs or glitches that might be causing this problem. Of course, once that's done, what you can do is reinstall, try and log in again, and you should be able to log in no problem. So that's how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later in Roblox on your PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.